sip a little drink. Let's make a toast now, cause I got money in the bank, never going back to broke. That shit no fun. The life I live is fast like an on the run. Man, it's the life. Sip a little drink. Let's make a toast now, cause I got money in the bank, never going back to broke. That shit no fun. The life I live is fast like an on the run.
But today's video is gonna be about money orders, 2022 method, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to keep this nice and short. You're gonna need a couple things. First, you're gonna need money orders. Second, you're gonna need sandpaper to scratch the money order. Third, you're gonna need a printer. Fourth, you're gonna need the font template, you know what I'm saying? Is that it? Let me check. And you're gonna need a bank account. Now, you're not gonna understand me if you're a beginner. So, like, you know, just search around first, you know what I'm saying? All right, with that being said, I'm gonna get into it. What the money order that you cop from a store, you feel me? It's gonna be cheap. It's gonna have like $2 on it. You wanna use the sandpaper to scratch the $2 or the $1 or whatever it is on it. You wanna use the sandpaper to scratch it off. And with the templates, with the 1K or 500, whichever one you have, you wanna use that to print over the spot where the $2 or $1 was. But for this, you have to perfectly align the money order onto the piece of paper or whatnot. And after you have that printed onto the money order and it looks legit to you, you don't wanna go and kill the money order. You don't wanna get it canceled or whatnot. You don't wanna get it failed. So just do a little research on what they look like. Make sure it looks legit, and that's gonna go through. You know what I'm saying? After that, after you have the final product, you want to go and cash it out. Now, you could do this on, how can you do this? You'd have to drop this off at a bank in person, you know what I'm saying? Or get somebody to cash it out at the store or whatnot. Now, once the money drops, you want to instantly try to do what you got to do to cash it out. Because eventually it's going to, reverse or whatnot. With that being said, yeah, that's pretty much it to this. But it's not it. It's like you need the step-by-step method, because it's more in detail. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't say too much in here because this video is obviously gonna get taken down. But yeah, you're gonna need to buy the templates, obviously, because nothing's free with this stuff. You know what I'm saying? Nothing's free. But you're gonna need to buy the templates. If you don't already have somebody to buy it to, please come to me. Don't go searching, because I don't want y'all to get scammed. You know what I'm saying? But I have the 500 and the 1K template. That's pretty much all you need if you have the sandpaper and the money order itself and the printer. Yeah, that's it. It's Play 247 and I'm out.